Let's start our remaining things. What is the remaining thing? The remaining is exercise, questions, answers, and exercise. Okay, here oral comprehension check of the last part. You see this topic, Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. I haven't written the name of the writer. Okay, I haven't written the name of the writer, and you see this very class, online class, has been arranged by Mr. Rajan Basumutari, the makers of the Bodoland Engkong Television. Okay, so let me start. Yesterday we could not do the oral comprehension check of the last part. Let me start now. Yeah, thinking about the text. Thinking about the text. What do you mean by this? After I told you earlier. Okay, what do you mean by this? Thinking about the text. Yes, we have read the topic, we have read the autobiography of Nelson Mandela. And now, what have we found in the lessons? The unfamiliar words, tough words, the materials. Okay, that means to be answered of some questions. Okay, now let's see, the first question is here. Why did such a large number of international leaders attend the inaugural? Okay, let's see, the first question here. Why did such a large number of international leaders attend the inauguration. Okay, this is the question. Why did such a large number of international leaders attend the inauguration? Let us write simply. Suppose the mark is 1 or mark 2, then the answer, volume of the answer, in case of 1 mark will be less, and in case of number 2 it will be something longer. Okay, now let me write the answer. From the sentence of the question, we can start the first word. Let us start from here. A large number of international leaders attended the inauguration or installation program of the installation program of the newly elected no place here, huh? Let me write here. Newly elected government of South Africa to pay respect and share the joy. Okay, that's all. I have written those. You can write something differently. Okay, you can write something differently, or someone may write differently. But the sentence should be correct, and the theme should be correct. The required materials should be there. That's the matter. Okay. Now let me wrap this. Now let us proceed to second one. Let us proceed to second one. Okay. Question number 2. What does Mandela mean when He is simply the sum. When he says he is simply the sum of all those African patriots. African patriots. Do you know the meaning of the word patriot? Do you know the meaning of the word patriot? Patriot means hearted and proudly. Hearted and proudly. Okay. Hearted and proudly. Hadat Sibisula, who had gone before him? Who had gone before him? Who had gone before him? This is the question. Only one question here, okay? No head question, no tail question, only one question. In this case, if there is only one case, one question, then there is no head question, there is no tail question. Okay? Let me write your answer. Saying simply the sum, simply saying, I should keep within bracket this portion also, saying he is simply the sum of all those African patriots, those African patriots. African patriots. Mandela means. Mandela means. Have you seen this? Mandela mean. What does Mandela mean? So I have written here Mandela means. Let me wrap this. Okay. Mandela means. Mandela means to say that like those African Africans, that is earlier patriots, earlier patriots earlier patriots. He also felt the great need of political independence saying he is simply the sum of all those African patriots. Mandela means to say that like those Africans, that is earlier patriots, he also felt the great need of political independence, and he is not more than them. Okay, yes. Okay, something longer it is. Only single sentence I have written here. Only single. Actually, we should try to make 2 sentences here. But I am not repeating this. Okay. Now, let's over question number 3. The question number 4. What is the question number 4? You see, question number 4. How did Mandela's understanding? How did Mandela's understanding of freedom since with age, and experience. Actually, it must be of 2 marks. Let me write out. Okay, let me write out. Answer is Nelson Mandela as Nelson Mandela grew up, he became able to understand that freedom is indivisible. Indivisible. Okay. Here, full stop. Let me. Does change on anyone of his people where the chains on him, too. He was not free. He was not free alone. Or he cannot be free alone. He was not free alone, or he cannot be free alone. Okay, let us write the question number 5. Let us write the question number 5. Oh, I have wrapped this. You know? Have I noted down this? See, question number 5. What is the question? How did Mandela's hunger? How did Mandela's hunger for freedom since his life? senses, life. Very interesting and important question, huh? Interesting and important. Can you guess this? Let me. Mandela's hunger for freedom. Sensed his life, truly. He sensed into real men, famous statesmen, and a visionary put here full stop, huh? He work painstakingly. For his fellow countrymen. And suffered a lot for the independence of all of them. Am I correct? if you find any mistake or insufficiency, please tell me and try to do yourself correct. Okay, let us avoid this. Now, another one. Another type. This is thinking about language. Thinking about language. Thinking about language. Yes, that is the thing, to know, to learn about language. Okay? The earlier was thinking about the text, and this one is thinking about the language. Okay? Now here, I'm not writing this, it is longer one. I'm reading out only for you. There are nouns in the text. Okay? There are nouns in the text. Formation, suppose, formation, government, this is a noun, which are formed from the corresponding verb form govern. These two are verb forms, and their noun forms are formation, government. By suffixing tion, okay, son or meant, there may be a change in the spelling of some verb. Noun pairs such as rebel, rebellion, constitute, constitution. Okay, let me. Please mind exercises in our book. Okay? I'm writing the main question only. Make a list. Make a list. Make a list of such pairs of nouns and verbs in the text. From this, it is clear that when we read a lesson, when we read a story, we should mind grammar also. Okay, not only the story, but the grammar also. We should mind, we should give an eye. Now you see, decide noun. Decide verb. See, the word given here already in your book, okay? Rebellion. I'm copying this only, this portion. Rebellion. The verb is rebel. Okay? Then constitutions. Constitution. This is constitute. Verb is constitute. constitute. Now, inclination, okay, incline. Then limitation, limit, okay, limitation, limit. Then another one, no place here, huh? Let me write this first one. Okay. Then let us write recognition. The words should be in the text, not from outside. Okay. Recognition, yeah, recognize. Then obligation, it is oblige. That's okay. Have you found this in the lesson, in the story, in the biography? Okay. Now here question number 2. Read the paragraph below. Fill in the blanks with the noun forms of the verbs in brackets, like this, same thing. Yet I'm giving you one, for example, okay? Then we should stop our class. So there is no time. The next class must be done timely, started timely. Okay. This question number 2. Read the paragraph. Read the paragraph. Read the paragraph below. Read the paragraph below. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the noun forms. With the noun forms. Okay. Opposite of the first question, question number 1. Noun forms of the verbs. In brackets. Only one, huh? Only one. Martin Luther King. Do you know Martin Luther King? Martin Luther King. Remembering this, the black people of the USA have been agitating against the murder or killing of Floyd. Okay? Mind, it is current issue. The word is here, contribute. It is verb. It is verb, contribute. To our history. To our history. Agent. Outstanding. Leader. Outstanding leader. Do you know outstanding leader? Do you know what is the meaning of outstanding? Outstanding leader, main leader, the top leader, began when he came to the word is given in verb, assist, incomplete. Okay, let me finish this. Martin Luther King, a great hero who fought for the freedom or rights of the blacks. Okay, so here the word is contribute. It is in verb form. Now noun form is definitely contribution. No problem. Contribution. Okay. Can you guess? Now, second one is here assist. It is verb. Its noun form is assistance. Okay. That's all, huh? The rest, these are very easy. Subjugate, subjugation. Next one, humiliate, humiliation. Then imprison, imprisonment. Then resist, resistance. Okay, there is no time. Actually, I have taken a few minutes more today. Don't mind, huh? Okay, let us stop our class here. Thank you very much. Bye.